Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite pocket loss problem. Let's fix it guys. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The first solution consists of several small steps. First we need to change the internet pocket priority. To do this you just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Expand the network adapter section and right click on the network adapter you are using it and select properties. And now you just need to select the advanced tab. In here you just need to scroll down and select priority VLAN. You just need to select in here. After that, on right side you just need to select the drop down and select priority VLAN enabled. Select enabled and select OK. After doing this, close it off here. Another thing we need to do is add a launch option to Fortnite. To do this you just need to open up Epic Games. You just need to click on this profile icon and you just need to scroll down and select settings. In here you just need to scroll down, click on Fortnite, click on it and click on additional command line arguments, click on it. And now in here you just need to type hyphen limit client without any space ticks hyphen limit client ticks. After typing it you just need to click on outside, just click on outside to save it. Now you just need to go back to settings and close it off the Epic Games. Now you just need to go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open it. Click on reset now and select yes. After doing this you need to restart your PC guys, and after restarting your PC you can check your problem solved or not. If this solution helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to change the matchmaking religion. Before doing this we need to reset our modem. This is important because the problem might be related to our modem. After doing that, to change the matchmaking religion we need to open up Fortnite. In here you just need to select the profile icon over here and select this setting icon and select settings. And now you just need to select the gear icon and in here matchmaking religion. If the matchmaking religion is set to auto, we change it from auto to a different religion where the ping is low. If the religion is not auto, set it to auto. After doing this you can check if the problem is solved or not. If this solution helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. If the problem persists we will move on to the third solution guys. Just to close it off here. The third solution is to set ports for Fortnite. To do this we need the ports number for Fortnite. We just need to open up browser. We can find these ports by searching for Fortnite ports forward in our browser. You just need to search for it and you will be get port forward website. Click on it. You can also check my video description for this ports guys. Fortnite PC ports over here. Now you just need to just minimize it and now go to search menu and type Windows Defender firewall. Click on open it. On left side select advanced option. In left side you just need to select inbound rules. On right side you just need to select a new rule, select port and select next. And now you just need to select TCP and you just need to check my video description for this TCP port number. You just need to copy it And now go back to Windows Defender and paste it in here. And after pasting it, select next. And now select next. Select next. Now you just need to name this port Fortnite TCP. After naming it, select finish. And after doing this, to add another port, click on new rule again. And now select port again and select next. Now you just need to select UDP, and you just need to check my video description for this UDP code. Copy it. Just to copy it and go back to Windows Defender and just paste it in and select next, select next, select next, and name this port Fortnite UDP. After naming it, select finish, so that we will be easy to find if we want to delete it later. We set the ports, guys. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.